Hello everyone, how to copy file path in Windows. First open File Explorer, press shortcut key Window key plus E and here you can see your File Explorer is open. So left hand side you can check your folders. So I open here in this PC documents. In documents I just copy the part of this Excel tutorial file. So simply right click on the file and here you can see there's a no option copy as a path. So I just deselect it and again I select this file. Now I press the shift key and after that right click on the mouse. Now here you can see the copy as a path option here visible. Click on it. Now open your notepad and use here Ctrl V to paste your file path. Okay. Second way, select the file, go to the Home tab. In Clipboard group, click on the Copy Path option. Open your notepad and paste here your file path. Okay, that's it. So this is a way you can copy file path in Windows. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.